Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2017 Cadillac XE, and we're going to go over where and how you would add your brake fluid to your vehicle. So we have the engine the hood is open, and back here at the back of the engine bay on the left side / driver's side, there's a cover here. And so we're going to pop this cover. It's just a little tab right here. And you pull that up and you remove it. Now we have access to the brake fluid reservoir, and this is your brake booster right there. But we have the brake fluid reservoir right here. You're going to want to clean off this top, and you're going to look here to see your level line, and we're right in the middle, so we're in a good operating range. We don't want it to go below the low line because we don't want air to get into our system, and then we'll try to keep it just at the max. So if you need to add fluid, you do your best to clean off this cap with a paper towel, and then just twist this cap to undo and get your brake fluid put in it, which is a .4. And so you get some .4 and top it off, and then be able to put the cap on. Now, if your brake fluid is low and continues to go low, you're going to need to be looking at your brake calipers and see where you have a brake fluid leak. Now, if it goes low super slow over time, that's because it's going into the calipers to keep your calipers where they need to be. And so when you change your brakes, the fluid will come back in here because you're going to press it back. But if you're constantly putting brake fluid, then you'll definitely need to be looking for some other issues on your car. But once you're done adding brake fluid, then you can just pop this cover back on and go back ahead and close the hood. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.